When we talk about portable yet powerful speakers, the first thing that comes to our mind is the size and the price at which they are offered. But what if I say there is a mini home theater under 6000? So let's find out. Welcome back to my channel. So last week I had a huge device with me, but today I have something comparatively smaller. So this is a Bluetooth speaker from Infinity, which is the Infinity Fuse 100 by Harman. So let's find out what's in the box. Let's take this out. Okay, so this is the speaker and this is the speaker. This is the lanyard to connect, and this is the USB cord and a quick setup guide. So that's all in the box. So let's connect this now. I'll have to actually pair it with my phone. So this is a turn on. This is also enabled with Google Assistant and Siri. So just by pushing the power button twice, you can go wireless. Yeah, this is Infinity Fuse 100. Connected. Yeah, it's connected. This is the 4.5 watt Bluetooth speaker from Infinity, which has got this durable rug fabric covering on the outside to protect it from dust and water. Whereas the top and bottom is protected with rubber finish material. On the top, it has got these volume controls, track change buttons, and a slot to attach this lanyard. On the bottom is the slot with a micro USB charging port and 3.5mm aux out port. Also, the built-in microphone allows you to use this as a speakerphone. So let's test the sound. So I'll be playing one music with 50% volume. So this was 50%. Now I'll turn on the volume to full. Pretty loud. So the best part about this Bluetooth speaker is the smart dual connect feature, which allows you to connect one more Infinity Fuse 100 to this, just to enjoy the extra bass and the stereophonic sound it gives. Also, you can convert this into a mini home theater. Another feature is the dual equalizer. Just by pressing the volume up and down keys, you can turn the deep bass on, like this.
Normal.
So this is the normal mode.
Deep bass.
And this is the deep bass mode. So talking about the battery. So this device has got a 9 hours of battery backup at 50% volume. To be honest, very few people actually listen at full volumes. But considering the quality of the speaker, I guess 50% volume is more than enough for a 10x10 size room. It also comes with a IPX7 rating, meaning it's waterproof. So all these features power packed in this small little device cost you around 1399 Indian rupees. So if you take a pair, under 2800 you'll get the mini home theater. But on the website, if you see, the original price of this device is mentioned as 2999. So even if you take a pair at the original price, under 6000 you will be getting this mini home theater. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do hit the like and the subscribe button. Till then, bye bye.